Let's start an overhand on the right. And let's do an overhand weave. Turn left to an underhand weave. And step and turn turn left into an overhand weave again. And then a giant on the right. Back to an overhand weave. Open it up. Stall your right poi between your legs. Come into overhand butterfly in the front. Overhand thread the needle. And then we're going to do takeouts to the side as we move backwards. So right takeout, come back. Left takeout, come back. Right takeout, come back. Left takeout, come back. And then takeouts going up, going forward. And to the right. And to the left. Now we'll go backward again. Right out, step back. Left out, step back. Right out, step back. Left out, step back. And going forward, right up, step forward. Left up, step forward. Right up, step forward. Left up, step forward. And thread the needle again. And double stall out to the side into your underhand opposite hip reel. Bring it into underhand butterfly in the front. And open it up to the left into a butterfly turnaround 360. So we go into an overhand butterfly in the back. And then we're going to turn and come into an underhand butterfly in the front. And then a right turn 360, right takeout. Turn to overhand butterfly in the back. Right takeout, underhand butterfly on the front. Angel up 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. And now come up into an underhand opposite pinwheel. And now let's add the extension. Right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, back into underhand butterfly. And double drop stall, clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right with it. And we're going to come back to the front, come up into together time pinwheel, and come down and stall to the left, up and down and stall to the right, up and down and stall to the left, and then counterclockwise pinwheel, bring it down on the left side, overhand weave on the left, right 360 in the weave turnaround, and then left 360, turn right into the counterclockwise pinwheel. Okay, here we go with our combo, the first combo. Now we're going to do 3 extensions, 1 and 2 and 3, and now add the 360, coming all the way around, back into the pinwheel, down into the overhand weave on the left, open it up, chase the sun counterclockwise, come down into overhand on the left, sweep back, step left, sweep over, step left, sweep back, step left, sweep over, step left, overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, step, turn left to underhand weave, step, turn left to overhand weave, turn right 90 degrees into counterclockwise pinwheel, do that little extension 3 times again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 360 turn, and down into overhand giant on the left, swivel to underhand giant on the right, and now we're going to swivel back and forth, and then when you're ready, do a 360 turnaround leading with the right hand, coming up into the counterclockwise pinwheel. If you didn't get it, no worries. Lift your left leg, tap the left point on your left leg, into overhand butterfly, into overhand thread the needle, the takeout combo from before, so stepping back, right takeout back, left takeout back, right takeout back, left takeout back. Now we're moving up, right takeout, moving up, left, then up, right, then up, left, and up, angel twice. And now big back behind the head, into thread the needle again. And now butterfly turn around to the right, right turn, come to underhand butterfly, right takeout, come to overhand butterfly, left takeout, come to underhand butterfly, left takeout, come to overhand butterfly, turn right 90 degrees, stall your right point, come into overhand weave, open it up, and chase the sun, facing the front, clockwise chase the sun, and come into overhand on the right, and sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right, sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right, overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to clockwise pinwheel, make it big 3 times, 1, 2, 3, come down into overhand weave on the right hand side, and open it up, double stall between the legs, sweep over the top, overhand weave on the left, and turn right to underhand weave, step, turn right to overhand weave, and turn left to underhand weave, step, and turn left to overhand weave. Open it up, chase the sun, counterclockwise. Now come up into counterclockwise pinwheel. Same combo we did before, extension 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3, and here we go, giant. Come around, come around, come around, and come down on the left into overhand giant. Swivel to the right to underhand giant, and now swivel back and forth. And then when you're ready, when the right one's on the bottom, turn 360, come up into the pinwheel, come down into overhand weave on the left, open it up,